Hello everyone, I'm Ryan from 2 Car Pros, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to restore your headlights using a Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. Now, before we get started, I do recommend that you remove your headlight lens in order to work on it, or you could mask the area off around your headlight with tape and paper, but I do recommend removing the headlight as a whole. And you should also do this in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves. Some of the chemicals are quite aggressive. With all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. So this is what comes in the kit, what comes in the box. We get a headlight coating, 2 scouring pads, and a cleaning solution. This is only a 2-step process, so let's go ahead and get started. So here is our fogged out headlamp, and what we're gonna do is clean it first. We got our cleaning solution, so we're going to shake our cleaning solution and then we're going to pour about a quarter-sized amount on our scouring pad, like that, and then we're going to clean this surface here. And I have already wiped down this surface with some 409 earlier. I let it dry. Well, I wiped it off and let it dry, so it's been a while. So we're going to keep doing this for. The box says to use a back and forth motion, so we're just going to follow the box. What's really cool about this kit is there's no drill required, so if you don't have any power tools or don't want to take a power tool to your lens, this is a good workaround for that. And do make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area. This cleanser is quite strong. I've been at it for a little while now. I'm going to grab another rag and just wipe it off. I want to see how we're doing. How does it look? I can tell you straight away it already looks much, much better, but I'm going to go for round 2. Repeat as desired. As you can see, after 1 coating, it is already much better. This is much clearer. Even on camera, it looks a lot better. So I'm going to do another round of this and see if I can get it any clearer. Okay, so we've gotten the headlight. My second pass here, much less oxidized, looks a lot better. We'll do a comparison at the end of the video. It's nice and clean, it's nice and dry, which is a big deal, and then we're going to do our headlight coating here, which is a compressed aerosol thing. So we're going to do a medium wet coating to the entire thing, let it wait for 5 minutes or so, and then do another coating. And it'll be fully cured in about 24 hours, so don't take it in the rain or something until then. Alright, now we just wait 5 minutes. Alright, now that it has been 5 minutes, we can apply another coat, and it will be dry to the touch in about 5 minutes or so. And again, fully cured in 24 hours. And again, I have to stress to do this in a well-ventilated area and do wear gloves. So we're going to do another coat here. A little thicker, and we're going to wait that 5 minutes to put it in the truck and not take it in the rain for at least 24 hours. Okay, so we can see here, this is our nice and cleaned headlamp, and this is our original looking one. As you can see, it is much, much better. No, it doesn't look new. I will never say it's going to look like a brand new headlight, but it's much better. And for the price of this kit, it is hard to beat. It's only about $20, linked down below in the description. No, I'm not sponsored. They didn't give me this product. I just have a friend who wanted their headlights to look a little bit better. We took a chance on this Meguiar's product, and I have to say, it looks great. I'm really impressed by that. So we're going to clean this other one and put them in the truck, and it should light up the road a lot better. So that's how to restore your headlights using a pretty cheap kit. I believe it's around $20 or so. Link is down below in the description if you're interested. It went a lot better than I expected, honestly. I kind of thought it would not work as well as it did, but surprise, surprise, it works really well. And I have to say that there is a lot more light on the road after we use this kit, and it is quite a bit cheaper than buying 2 brand new lenses. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe down below. I upload every Saturday. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.